Good evening po. Punta ngayon po kami dalawang ni Mister sa tinatawag po ng light show, Helsingborg light show. And we will see what are they showing on the streets. So we go and have some fun. Ngayon po gabi, first time nag-vlog po sa nighttime. So I'm gonna live today Helsingborg's light show at nighttime. See you there! So here we go. Punta na po tayo doon sa tingin-tingin tayo kung anong nandun. So ito, this is they called the Helsingborg light show. Ito po ang light show dito. So nag-starting na po tayo dito. Visit cult. Madami pang tao ngayon. Hindi po masyado dahil yung iba may mga trabaho pa eh. Pero this is really cool. And this is the Helsingborg at night time. Ooh. Look at that. So we go up the stairs. This is the very popular place to visit called Kärnan. Yan, so we're going here up and look for the castle. And this in the left side is very interesting. Really nice wall. And here we go. We just go up. So just follow me. Oh, this is really cool. Look at this. Really cool, isn't it? What do you think? On the lights. Oh my god. This one. The whole wall and that
really nice
downstairs.
Ooh,
really cool.
Magical.
So I
just go up.
We go up again in the
Go
other
on the stairs. It's
other,
my hobby is already.
Dito,
And the place.
sa
Hello, hubby. Good night.
Side.
Daw siya.
Sa padalawang floor. Yan, the second
Siyempre,
floor.
photographer, ladder ang
Here's my
this
hubby.
place.
So I light everywhere, and you can see.
So they arrange
the
this.
snow is still on the ground.
I think it's every day, every year.
It's cooler tonight, but it's okay. We have fun here.
Oh,
And
ito po.
here we are. We are
Yan, dito
upstairs.
tayo sa taas.
And look at the streets of Helsingborg at night. So and
So we go
now
up
we go
and
up
see
again. It's a third
the
floor.
castle.
Fourth floor. Madaming hagdan.
Castle.
So, tayo lang po, punta tayo. Dito po ang castle
We
na
will see.
ating titinginan.
What is this all about?
Na
And
sila ng
many
lights.
photographers here
Yan,
right now.
Naglalagay sila ng lights. Salamat po dito.
So come.
At tayo ay punta doon. Samahan niyo ako sa Salaysay daw.
It says after that they are counting. Well, I don't know why they are counting, but we will find out. I think they are counting downward. I don't know. Maybe something is gonna happen on this castle. I think it's gonna be exciting, so we will wait. I know that's why they are counting, because it's gonna be show on 1 minute and 1 minute. Look at this one, the bonfire. Whoa! So right now they are counting downward. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, you will see what happened. That's it. Hey, isn't it cool? Oh wow. Yes. Really beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Oh wow. I think they celebrate this one, the Helsingborg Light Show, every year, I think. Whoa, it's too windy. It's cold right now. Wow, really cool. I don't know, maybe they are talking about the culture. Ba? Uh, how, yeah, they are telling what, how this castle looks like before, or the story. They are telling the story, and that between Denmark and Sweden and the war, it's exciting. Okay. So that's it, guys. So they are going to count it down again, and for those who is not seen that, so going to see, and this is cool. Another light show. Maybe they will see what is this. It's aha. What is that one? Jars with everything, and I think it's children who painted it, and they put it here. Really nice, cute. So we're heading back to to the main street, and we're going to see other places. Look at this one. Oh, so here some more lights, but it's with the bear. With the bear. Bear. Sa Hi, bear. And that the background is that one. Old, we call that Stadshuset. So I have to Google it in Swedish, in English. So this is. So, no, we are here back to the place that we started. And the underground, not underground. Doon. Sa downstairs. And then I have to sign out now. And thank you for watching. And see you in my next vlog. Ula! So, yeah.